Have a look at these Instagram and TikTok influencers pulling in hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of views with their quick 5-minute videos. Take a break from the video, leave a comment with your estimate of their monthly earnings, and I'll pin the most accurate guess. Picture this: the potential to earn anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 monthly lies within the grasp of those who can effectively monetize their social media channels. But what if I told you that crafting 1,000 captivating short clips could be accomplished in just 20 minutes, offering a pathway to retirement from the comfort of your own home? In the forthcoming presentation, I'll unveil not only the secrets behind creating an abundance of viral short clips, but also the strategies for rapidly scaling your brand and monetizing your online presence. Prepare to discover a clandestine method for effortlessly scheduling posts across multiple platforms with just a single click. Utilizing this approach has been instrumental in driving success across the spectrum of my social media ventures, and the outcomes have been nothing short of astounding.
Welcome to AI Money Mentor.
Now, let's delve into the realm of AI-powered short content creation and process automation. Our toolkit comprises two formidable AI tools, with the first being ChatGPT. And here's the kicker: you won't need to invest in the premium version. I've ensured that this method is accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial circumstances or level of expertise in online business. Accessing ChatGPT is a breeze. Simply create an account. Once you've completed that and logged in, you'll be greeted with a user interface reminiscent of the one showcased in the video. Our objective is to harness the capabilities of ChatGPT to generate 50 sets of diverse facts tailored for our short content. These facts will cover a range of engaging topics such as psychology, motivation, relationships, and productivity, ensuring a rich variety of content for our audience. The key is to identify topics that are relatable and highly shareable, aligning with the content preferences of social media platforms. Crafting the right prompts is essential, as the effectiveness of AI tools hinges on precise input. This may entail some trial and error to refine the prompts for optimal results. Once the prompts are set, we simply prompt ChatGPT to generate the facts, resulting in 2 columns, one for the different types of facts and the other for the starting point. While the number of sets can be adjusted based on our needs, it's crucial not to overwhelm the process with excessively large numbers. To avoid repetition, we can create additional prompts using the same specifications. This iterative approach ensures a fresh and varied pool of content for our videos. Moving forward, we'll automate the editing process to streamline video creation. This involves transferring the generated data to the next tool and making minor adjustments to facilitate the creation of multiple videos swiftly. Let's proceed to canva.com, where we'll utilize its features to expedite the video creation process. Simply sign up for a free account if you haven't already, and then follow the steps outlined to create a new template tailored for YouTube Shorts. To prepare for automated video creation, a few adjustments are necessary. Begin by adding a suitable video background. Navigate to the Apps section located at the bottom left of the screen in Canva. Then either scroll through the options or use the search bar to find video backgrounds. Look for tranquil scenes like beaches or sunsets to complement the content. Select a video that fits the desired ambience for the project. Keep in mind that some videos may require a Canva Pro subscription, indicated by a crown icon. In such cases, activating a free trial of Canva Pro is necessary, which will also grant access to the bulk creation tool. An effective strategy is to initiate the trial and promptly cancel it, ensuring a month of free access. While some videos may be restricted to Pro users, there are still free-to-use options available, albeit with potentially lower visual quality. Prioritize selecting a background video that enhances the content without overshadowing the accompanying text. Once chosen, expand the selected video to fill the editing window, establishing it as the backdrop for the project. This approach ensures that the background complements the overall aesthetic of the video without detracting from its message. To apply the background video, simply release the mouse cursor after positioning it. Now, on to creating the text overlay. Begin by adjusting the video duration to a brief 5 to 6 seconds, ideal for short-form platforms. Drag the video to approximately the 6-second mark to achieve this. Then, ensure the removal of any background noise or music by muting the video. Locate the volume icon, typically found in the top right corner, and drag it down to silence the audio. Moving on to text overlay creation, navigate to the text section and add a header, selecting your preferred text style. This header will serve as the topic identifier. Replace the default text with topic and position it accordingly on the canvas. Now, let's customize the text appearance. Double-click to select all the text, then adjust the color to white and add a background effect by selecting Background under the Effects menu. By default, the text color typically appears as black, but if it's not the case, simply scroll down and select black from the options. This text will serve as the topic header positioned at the top of the video. Feel free to label it as Topic for now. If you have specific font preferences, you can customize it accordingly. For those on the Pro trial, you have the additional option to upload custom fonts or explore the Google Font Library for a broader selection or branding opportunities. Moving forward, let's duplicate the text element. Click on it and select Duplicate, then position the duplicated text below. This will represent our Part 1 text, so go ahead and label it as such. Double-click to edit and replace the text with Part 1. Remove the background effect by selecting None under the Effects menu. However, consider adding an outline to enhance visibility. Click on Outline, choose black as the color, and adjust the thickness to your preference, typically between 75 to 95. Now we need to create the Part 2 text. Duplicate the Part 1 text as before and position it slightly below. It's crucial to align the text properly for the automation process later on. Since the length of Part 1 and Part 2 text may vary, ensure they align with the overall video outline for consistency. Adjust the size of the text boxes as needed to accommodate longer text strings. Failing to align the text properly could result in longer text entries not fitting the screen correctly. This adjustment ensures that the text wraps within the designated box, preventing it from overflowing the video's edges and becoming unreadable. Now, let's adjust the timing for the appearance of our two sets of text in the video. To manage this, right-click on Part 1 and select Show Timing, which opens a timeline view at the bottom, allowing you to fine-tune when each text segment appears. For optimal engagement, consider having Part 1 displayed for the majority of the video's duration, followed by Part 2 appearing for a shorter period. This strategy encourages viewers to re-watch the video, leading to longer retention and higher watch rates, essential for viral potential. You can set Part 1 to display for around 3.5 seconds, adjusting as needed, and do the same for Part 2, appearing around 3.5 seconds into the video. Now, let's delve into a lesser-known feature of Canva called Bulk Create. It's time to connect our text with the data, which will serve as the foundation for our automated video creation process. To access the tool, locate the Apps option at the bottom left of your screen. If you don't see it there, you can use the search bar to find it. Once you've found the tool, it will prompt you to input your data. Since we've structured the facts in a table format using ChatGPT, we can easily copy and paste the data into Canva. Simply return to ChatGPT, copy the generated facts, then navigate back to Canva. Click on Enter Data manually and select the top left cell in the first column to paste your text. Canva will automatically format the text into Topics Part 1 and Part 2 as desired. Once done, proceed to connect the data to the specific elements in your editor. Right-click on the topic text and select Connect Data, then choose Topic once again. You'll notice markers indicating that your data has been successfully connected. Repeat this process for Part 1 and Part 2, ensuring each is connected to the correct data source. Once all elements are connected, rearrange the Part 2 text to overlay Part 1, as we want both sets of text to appear sequentially in the same location. Part 1 should be displayed for the initial 3.5 seconds, followed by Part 2 for the remaining duration. Once everything is aligned correctly, proceed by clicking Continue to proceed further. Once you click Generate, it will start creating all the videos provided by ChatGPT in bulk. Sometimes there might be a glitch, resulting in only 49 videos being generated, but it won't affect the actual videos much, except for one missing video. As for why this happens, it's a bit of a mystery to me. After the generation process is complete, you can swiftly export these videos by clicking on Share in the top right corner and selecting Download. Remember to choose to download each page as a separate file. It's pretty straightforward. Once downloaded, you'll have all your videos saved as individual files. That's essentially how you create these videos. If you're keen to take it a step further, consider using online software to batch edit the videos and add trendy sound effects. This can significantly enhance their engagement and make them more captivating. While it's possible to do some editing in Canva, let's keep things moving to avoid making the video too lengthy. The end result will resemble something like what you've seen. However, remember that the real value of these short clips lies not just in their creation, but in how you utilize them. Many creators might leave you at this point, leaving you to figure out the rest on your own. But I'm here to guide you on maximizing this method's potential. With the aim of rapidly growing multiple accounts to over 100,000 followers within a month, we'll explore the capabilities of a special platform called Buffer. This tool is a content creator's dream come true. Buffer offers the simplest solution for scheduling your posts across various social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, all with just a single click. To get started, sign up for their free trial and create an account. Once that's done, link all your social media accounts to Buffer. The process of connecting your accounts is quite repetitive and straightforward, so I won't delve into it here. Once everything is linked, navigate to your calendar and click on Create Post. From there, select the channels you want to post to and insert your video clip. After adding some captions, you're all set to publish your content effortlessly across all your platforms. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate this process right now, but simply hit Share Now, and Buffer will handle the rest for you. Congratulations! By reaching this point, you've successfully automated your entire content creation process, giving yourself a significant edge over your competitors. Consistency is key when it comes to posting these videos regularly across all platforms. By maintaining a steady stream of content, you're bound to attract significant traction and views. While this video has already reached its limit, if you're interested in learning how to monetize these channels once you've built up a decent following, show your support by liking the video and leaving a comment to let me know. Below, you'll find all the websites mentioned in this video for quick access. Additionally, feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comments. I'm here to help, Wishing you all the best.